Today we're making Cacio e Pepe. Cacio e Pepe literally means cheese and pepper. Who would have thought these three simple ingredients would blow your mind? Pecorino has a nutty, salty flavor and it's made from sheep's milk, using some Italian spaghetti and fresh black peppercorns. Let's bring a large pot of salted water to a boil over high heat. And we're gonna cook the spaghetti in salted water for about 1 to 2 minutes less than the package directions. Let's turn on the heat to about medium-high heat on a saute pan. We're not gonna add any olive oil or butter, just dry. And we're gonna crush our peppercorns in a mortar and pestle. Of course you can use a pepper grinder, but I really want the pepper to shine. Add your crushed peppercorns to a saute pan on high heat for about 30 seconds, or until you can smell the pepper and it's fragrant. I do this right about the 3-minute mark on the pasta. Keep in mind, I'm not using any olive oil or butter, we're going straight authentic Italian. Add a ladle of the pasta water and saute the peppercorn on medium-high heat for about 30 seconds with the pasta water. Now in a small bowl, we're gonna add the pecorino cheese and mix in a half a ladle of pasta water. I'm gonna stir this until you get a paste-like texture. We'll go ahead and turn the heat back on the pepper. And we're gonna add the spaghetti and the pecorino and toss to combine. This was a common dish for shepherds who spent months outside herding. Shepherds always packed a nice piece of aged pecorino, peppercorns, and dried pasta in their bags. Using a piece of lard in an iron skillet, they had all the tools to enjoy a delicious meal that kept them warm on cold evenings in the mountains of Italy. When the spaghetti is fully cooked, about a minute or so, and the sauce has thickened, it's time to serve. Let's dust the dish with some additional pecorino, and I'm gonna add some of the leftover crushed peppercorns. It's so creamy, and the kick from the pepper, man, from my point of view, when in Rome or not, Cacio e Pepe is like the mac and cheese on steroids.